Hey everyone, imagine pulling out your phone in the middle of nowhere, no signal, but still being able to make a crystal clear voice call like it's nothing. That's just one of the game-changing possibilities we're looking at with the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and today we've got fresh live images and solid leaks that are making this phone feel more real than ever. What immediately jumps out from these new shots is how much cleaner the front of the device looks. Apple is finally shrinking that dynamic island in a serious way. It's not just a little trim. The width has been cut down dramatically while keeping the height similar, which gives you way more usable screen real estate and a much more premium modern feel. Paired with the new LTPO Plus OLED panel that's about to finish production, this display isn't just brighter and smoother. It's significantly more power efficient than what we had on the iPhone 17 series, and that efficiency focus is showing up everywhere. Apple is reportedly moving to fully in-house modems across the lineup, which should translate to better battery life and even some smart privacy upgrades already teased in iOS. And get this, proper two-way satellite voice calling is looking very likely, not just emergency texts. For anyone who travels, hikes, or lives outside big cities, this could genuinely be a lifesaver when your regular connection drops. Now on the battery front, the Pro Max is expected to jump to around 5,100 to 5,200 mAh. On paper it doesn't sound massive, but when you combine it with that more efficient display, the new chipset and Apple's custom modem, real-world usage should feel noticeably better. We're talking fewer midday anxiety checks, which is exactly what most of us actually care about. One area where expectations are being managed is pricing. Despite component costs going up across the industry, it looks like Apple is going to hold the line and keep prices exactly where they were last year. That's huge in a market where everything else keeps getting more expensive. They're using their massive scale to absorb the hits instead of passing them on to us. Colors are finally starting to crystallize too. The latest images point to a sleek dark gray, that gorgeous deep cherry red that might be the standout, classic silver, and a refreshing sky blue. 4 proper options instead of the usual 3 feels like a nice win. Of course, not everything is perfect. The anodized aluminum finish is apparently staying the same, which has raised some eyebrows after scratching reports on previous models. If Apple didn't quietly toughen it up, that could be the one thing that frustrates early buyers. Overall though, the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't about wild reinvention. It's about refining what already works and fixing the little things that actually matter in daily life. A less intrusive notch area, stronger battery, better connectivity, and smart efficiency gains. For people stuck on older iPhones, this feels like the perfect time to jump in. If you're already on a 17, you might wait, but the upgrades here are more meaningful than they